Dropshipping. Product from Walmart to Amazon is very easy and hassle-free. If you are a new dropship seller, you should consider Walmart as a dependable supplier. The main reason is that Walmart is very easy to work with. Walmart is one of the best retailing marketplaces after Amazon. Even though Amazon holds the #1 position in marketplace ranking, Walmart is not far behind. Walmart also provides you with very fast shipping, good customer service, and more. You will also be able to find lots of different items on Walmart compared to other marketplaces. Walmart Plus is Walmart's most notable feature that is very helpful for dropshippers. Walmart Plus provides you with 2-day free shipping on more than 160,000 products. While providing this service, Walmart also strictly maintains proper customer service to always be with their customers. These special features are very important for both new and old dropshippers. This is 𝐸𝐻𝐿 from 𝐸𝐿 and welcome to another video on dropshipping. As promised in our previous video, we are here to show you how to dropship on Amazon from Walmart. Today, I'm going to show you how you can easily dropship items from Walmart to Amazon very easily. I will also provide you with a step-by-step guideline that will make dropshipping much easier. If you have missed our previous videos about dropshipping, then please pause this video here and check the I button or the description box to watch the video first. Before we get started, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel 𝐸𝐿 and press the bell icon. So grab onto your seat and let's jump into the screen. Step 1. Identifying products category and brand store on Amazon. The very first thing you will need to do here is to select the product category and Amazon that you are going to use. Here you will find multiple product category available for you to choose from. As an example, we have selected the home and kitchen product category. After selecting the product category, you will now need to choose the brand you want to use to get your product. When selecting the brand, bear in mind that the item has good reviews. Here we have selected Mainstay as our brand and choose the memory foam Futon item. Step 2. Make sure that item has a good sales rank, daily sales and monthly sales. After selecting your desired brand, you will need to check the brand condition. To check the brand condition, you will need to use the 𝐨𝐭𝐡𝐞𝐫 Chrome extension. 𝐨𝐭𝐡𝐞𝐫 will provide you with information like monthly sales, daily sales, category ranking, subcategory ranking, and more. This information will help you to better understand the brand and see if it is profitable or not. Here we can see our selected brand is doing well. We can see the daily sales is 31, monthly sales 932, category ranking 42,104 in home and kitchen, subcategory ranking 6 in Futon Sets, and the monthly revenue is $209,700. We can see this item's brand product is very popular and doing well. Step 3. Check the item availability in Amazon and Walmart marketplace. After selecting the product on Amazon, you will now need to search the same item on Walmart. The reason for searching on Walmart is that we want to use Walmart as our supplier. Here we'll need to copy the title of your selected product and paste the title into Walmart search bar. After clicking search, you will be provided with a list of similar or the same product. Now you will need to find the same item at Walmart too. After choosing a similar product from Walmart, you will need to cross-check all the information from Walmart against Amazon. If all information checks out, then you can ready to proceed to the next step. As an example, we have selected the full title of our mainstay memory foam Futon item from Amazon and paste it on Walmart. we have been provided with multiple similar items. Here we have selected a similar product and now we will match all the information. As everything is same, we can use this Walmart item easily. Step 4. Check the item have a net profit and margin. After choosing the product from both Amazon and Walmart, you will need to check the net profit and profit margin of your desired dropshipping product. Amazon Seller Central provide you with a revenue calculator. Here you can easily calculate the profit you might have when dropshipping. Here you will need to fill up the item price with the Amazon product price. Then you will need to fill out the cost of product with the price from the Walmart listing and then click on the calculator button. If you have done everything properly, you will be able to get the net profit and net margin for your desired item. If you are satisfied with that outcome, then you can proceed to the next and final step. We have filled the required blank with our chosen brand product and placed both the item price and cost of product correctly. Here we can see that the net profit for this item is $9.85 and the net margin is 4.46%. As our product has a good profit and margin, we'll use that item for dropshipping. Step 5. List the item on Amazon Marketplace from Walmart. To list product on Amazon, you will need to visit Amazon Seller Central. There you will need to select the category tab and click on the add product. After you do that, you will need to copy and paste Amazon ASIN onto the Amazon category and click on search. Here we will need to change the condition to new and click on the sell this product button. After that, you will be taken to the final add product page. Here you will need to add the product's SKU, quantity and your desired price and change the condition to new. After putting all the information in, you can save and publish your product to make it go live. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video has been helpful for you. If yes, then please like, comment and share this video with your friends. If you have anything more to know regarding dropshipping on Amazon, then please write down your questions in the comment section. You can also click on the I button from the top right corner of this video to get more videos about dropshipping. Moreover, you can also check our website www.𝐜𝐴𝐞𝐞𝐫.com. Till then, take care, stay safe, see you soon.